Morning, guys. It's April 30th, 2020. Just gonna do a little coffee chat here. My phone's really not ringing much, to be honest with you. Not much going on, but I am at the point where I'm gonna start going out and doing jobs like I talked about. I just wanted to, talk about a couple of things here, and I just want to, tell you my thoughts on staying positive and having a positive outlook. And um, myself, I'm very happy with my life the way it is. I'm very happy in my skin, and I got no regrets. I feel very blessed with a lot of things in my life. There's so much to be thankful for. And we really all need to have a positive attitude, especially when things are bad, like now with the corona going around, everybody's home. There's a lot of people that can get down and stuff like that. Really, you need to do is try to think positive and have a good attitude about things. It's so important. Um, myself, I got so much to be blessed for. Even like my little dog. Look at her. I mean, how could she not bring a smile to your face? Just having a little dog around there. All she wants to do is fall asleep in your arms. I mean, I got a great job. I got a good YouTube following. I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful for all my subs. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy the plumbing, heat, and air conditioning work. I enjoy doing all the stuff on YouTube. And that just thinking about that stuff, brings joy to people. And you got to think about what's going on in your life. And if you're healthy, and you're not sick, and you wake up every day, I mean, that's a blessing right there. You don't know how lucky you are to be healthy and not sick. Think of the positive stuff. Now, there's so much negativity going around and watching the news and this and that. I mean, it could drag you down. Get out and do some walking if it's nice out. I took the dog for a 2.5 mile walk yesterday. Me and the dog went walking around to 2.5 miles. She made it the whole way. I was surprised that she did. The first day I did like 1.5 miles, and yesterday I did 2.5 miles. And I'll go out again today. It's raining out this morning, but I'm planning on going out again and take the dog out for a ride, take the dog out for a walk. It's so nice out. Get some fresh air. We all need to, do that. Get outside, get some fresh air. And, some people think about, you're not working, you get down, depressed. Best thing to do is try to eat properly, eat some salad stuff or some vegetables, and try to eat properly and take your vitamins. I'm a big fan in taking supplements as far as like fish oil and vitamin B12, vitamin D, D3. I mean, I take that stuff as supplement because I might not be getting it in my diet. If you're eating a proper diet and you're getting all that stuff and you don't need it, fine. But sometimes I question whether I'm getting the proper amount of vitamin D, especially in the wintertime, because you get that from the sun. You're inside, you got coats on, you're not getting that. And that would help a lot. Yeah, but there's so much to be thankful for in life. And as long as you're breathing and you're not sick, you're not in the hospital sick, thank God. I don't really know anybody. I've heard of a couple of people getting a corona, but as far as my direct family members, no one's got it. So we're blessed when it comes to that. Yeah, just something a little bit different. Keep a positive attitude. You know, and count your blessings. Think about all the good things you got going on in your life. You know, shut the news off. Think about all the good stuff you got going on in your life. Your health. This is all going to pass, and we're all going to get by this, and we're all going to go back to work, and things are going to be fine. I mean, if you can't pay your bills right now, I mean, there's no sense in stressing out about it. You're not working or whatever. Hopefully, you got money coming in, or you'll be on unemployment, and then this will all pass. There's no sense in being all stressed out about not being able to pay your bills. I mean, I've always been blessed where I've never really had a lot of bills. I always kept my expenses very as low as I could because I don't like to have outstanding bills, and I've always been like that. But some people have, outstanding bills and they get stressed out about that. I mean, it's not worth it. Just try to stay positive and look at the bright sides of things. Be happy in your skin, and enjoy your life. Life is short, so enjoy it. Be a positive. Don't be a Debbie Downer. Don't be negative. I mean, nobody wants to be around somebody that's negative all the time and, a Debbie Downer. Be positive and have a good outlook. If you're having a bad day, fine. Tomorrow's another day. Try to work on that. Try to be a better person. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be a better person. I definitely enjoy my life, and I'm happy in my skin. I got my little dog. I mean, she's a little joy to me, and I get a lot of positive. I got a beautiful daughter. She turned out to be a wonderful person. I really count my blessings on what's going on in my life. Just a little something different, guys. Just wanted to bring you my, what I think about the whole thing, and just trying to get everybody to stay positive, motivated, and happy. Because your happiness is within yourself. It's all up to you. You could pull the wrong strings and be a miserable son of a gun, or you could pull the right strings and be happy. So let's be happy and not sad, and live your life the way you should. Positive outlook, positive thinking, and put all your ducks in a row, cross all your T's, dot all your I's, and get your shit together, man. All right. Have a good day.